Hi, my name is Carrie Smidira. I work for a company called Miracle Software Systems. I am the Business Development Manager for the Washington, D.C. area. I've been with the company for a short while now. Miracle Software has been around since 1994, but we are new to the government space. We only have a couple of government customers at the moment, which is the Inter-American Development Bank and the Defense Commissary Agency. Miracle Software is an enterprise application integration solution provider. It's a lot of words for saying that we help make all of your enterprise applications talk to each other and help you to unlock value out of the data that you're already using every day throughout your organization. In this presentation, I'll go over a little bit of how we've done that for many of the major industries in the area, commercially and privately, and hopefully our expertise will translate into the business sector. And if you like us, you like what you're hearing, my name is Carrie Smidira, Business Development Manager. My contact information is on this presentation or can be found from the Business Services Center, so please reach out to me. We do scoping calls. We'll see if our solutions fit your needs. It's very easy. So let's get into what Miracle Software Systems is really all about. They were founded in 1994. We're actually a global organization, headquartered in Novi, Michigan, which is near the University of Michigan, Ann Arbor. We have offices in the United States, Canada, Europe, Asia, and Australia. We actually have a hybrid off-site, offshore model, depending on what you need. We can do services that are developed here, implemented here, or if you need development overseas, we have that as well. We offer all of the models. So let's get into really what we can do for you. Enterprise application integrations is all of the big platforms that you're thinking of. IBM, SAP, Oracle, Microsoft, AWS, all of them. So we have over 500 certified professionals in each one of these platforms. And when you have an integration problem that you need for either efficiency or you need to lift something into one of the many clouds that are now available, as you may know, IBM has a cloud, Oracle has a cloud, SAP has a cloud, along with, of course, Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. At any time, if you're needing to take an existing business process that you already have and you need to put it into the cloud, Miracle Software Systems can help you with strategy, design, implementation, or even software licenses, or just consulting on which cloud provider you might want to use for each one of these different processes, depending on data consumption, how often you're going to use it. So let me give you an example of how we've helped other commercial organizations, and maybe you can find some of these stories are useful to things that you're experiencing in the government agency right now. Right now with energy and utilities, we are helping local utility providers with the Internet of Things. It's a word that everybody's heard about, but when you're a utility company, you have a lot of things on the edge, as they like to say. So you have your towers, you have field technicians, you have monitoring, you have measuring capabilities for just about anything that's going on, whether it's electricity, whether it's energy, whether it's residential and commercial, and you need to have a better understanding of what's going on to get that data and then do something useful with it. Find out where you're having problems, where the power is out, or maybe where your biggest sinks are. So the Internet of Things is a complex integration project where you take certain sensors and you bring them into your enterprise application, and then you may be doing visualization on it to really understand geographically your distribution of where your problem areas are and how you can best deploy field technicians to go solve those problems. That's one of the ways we've helped local utilities increase their uptime so that they don't have a lot of angry customers. Another one we've done with healthcare and pharmacy in that industry is we've helped major pharmacy chains with data collection from smaller points, such as a grocery store pharmacy that needs to, you go to your local Safeway or your local Giant and you go to the pharmacy. The information has to get integrated with maybe Care First, Blue Cross, Humana, or whoever happens to be the pharmacy provider. And we do the integration services between the two stores. As you can imagine, there's a lot of problems associated with personal health information, and we are certified in all of those things. Another one would be banking and insurance. We've done, if you have student loans or mortgages, we've helped these companies get all of the data to get a complete picture of their risk, whether or not the loan or the mortgage is going to default based on sorts of demographic information. And we bring all that data together so that your business users can then utilize it and figure out what's the next step or step in before there's a problem such as a default. So again, Miracle Software has locations around the world. We have developers in India. We actually have a Miracle University where we are always training certified professionals with all the latest. We are an IBM Premier partner along with business partners for all the others, and Oracle, SAP, Microsoft. So in the event that you want to get one of these products, so you realize in your strategy and design you may need a software license or need to sign up for a subscription, we can help either resell that to you or recommend a program that you should be on. We can actually sell the licenses cheaper than you might be able to get from IBM directly because we are an IBM Premier Business Partner. We're great with IBM Watson and the Internet of Things, cognitive computing. And we also do business-to-business e-commerce, especially if you're doing online or retail online and inventory management. So in the event that you like anything that you've heard so far, again, my name is Carrie Smadira. I am located in Maryland. My number is 301-366-8575. You can text me or email me directly. I'd like to set up a scoping call with you if you feel that we have resources that can help you. Again, we can do staff augmentation if you need help, if you already have a project manager in place. If you need a project manager, an architect, and a team to deploy your solution, Miracle Software can provide that either here, on-site, off-site, remotely here in America, or offshore if that fits your budget better. So I can do proposals, scoping calls. It would be great to talk to you. And just so you know, we have a lot of different sourcing models. We have a lot of different managed services. Let's hear your business challenges, and I'm definitely happy to speak with you.